Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Rosie Vivian Concepcion. I'm 46 years old, get married, I have 3 children. The eldest one is 28, the second one is 26, and the youngest one is 21. And I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the last one of my family, and I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work in Qatar for 10 years as domestic helper, and I do all household chores like ironing, cleaning, washing, and take care of the baby. And also I work from Abu Dhabi for 2 years. I finished contract, take care also the baby and ironing, cleaning.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always securing her safety if the baby is sick. I also take her temperature if the baby is sick, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself? Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible mom. Sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
I don't have, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
I don't have, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family, and I want also to.
Okay. What else?
I want also work in abroad to help my youngest one to finish her study.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
Yes, sir. My husband and mother-in-law.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do? What would you do if you're homesick?
I remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I wake up in the evening, 10 after my work, and I wake up early in the morning at 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will calm and patient, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help into the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Oh, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
No. Are you willing to share them with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Of course, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. I want to song this Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy, one for the dame for the lane.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
There's a good day, sir, ma'am. I hope you select me as one of your domestic helper.
What is your strength as a...
I do all chores like ironing, cleaning, cooking, and I will promise I will serve your family. Ma'am, thank you.
Iba yung nasabi mo.